How to compare fractions by finding the lowest common denominator. When you have two fractions that have two different denominators, it is difficult to tell which one is bigger. Think about it this way. The denominator 7 means a pie is divided into 7 pieces. The denominator of 9 means another pie is divided into 9 pieces. You cannot tell whether 2 pieces of the first pie is bigger or smaller than 3 pieces of the second pie because the pies were divided into different number of pieces. That's why we need to find the lowest common denominator for both of these denominators. The lowest common denominator of 7 and 9. The lowest common denominator is a multiple that will divide into both of these numbers evenly. There are multiple ways we can do this. In the case of two numbers, we can simply multiply the two numbers. We know that product of the two numbers will be divisible by both 7 and 9. So we have 7 times 9 is going to give us 63. 63 now is our common denominator. Now our first fraction, 7. We need to change this into a new fraction with a denominator of 63, our new lowest common denominator. But our numerator, we don't know that yet. We need to figure that out. So we need to figure out how we got from 7 to 63. And we did this by multiplying by 9. If we multiply the bottom by 9, we also need to multiply the top by 9. That will give us 18 over 63. And so our new fraction here would be 18 over 63. Now we need to change the fraction 39 is equal to, once again, a fraction with the denominator, the common denominator of 63. We do this by figuring out how we got from 9 to 63. We got from 9 to 63 by multiplying 9 by 7. If we multiply by 7 the denominator, we need to also multiply by 7 in the numerator. And this we got 3 times 7 is 21. So our new fraction, 39, is now equal to 21 over 63. Now we have two pies that are divided into equal number of pieces in the denominator. That means all we need to do is to compare the two is figure out how many pieces you got in the numerator. 18 pieces is less than 21 pieces. Therefore, 1863 is less than 21 over 63. Because these fractions are equivalent, 27 is equal to 1863. 39 is equal to 2163. Our answer is 2/7 is less than 39. And that's it for this video. If you learned something new, or if you just simply enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.